What's going on, guys? This is Drew. Drew drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive on this rainy day in this 2021 Lexus ES350 F Sport. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 with 302 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Put my phone in that wireless charging tray real quick. All right. So yeah, ES350 F Sport's always been a really nice car. The F Sport will give you this F gauge cluster, really nice. I love that gauge cluster. F Sport badge down here. You also have a pretty big screen in this vehicle. It's not touchscreen. Yeah, you have to use a touchpad for this car. You do have a reverse camera, heated and ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel as well. Paddle shifters. This heated steering wheel and heated seats feel good in this cold weather. You have the Mark Levinson sound system in this model. You also have this really nice metal trim, black F Sport seats which say F Sport on the headrest, which looks really cool. You also have a sunroof. And let's walk around this vehicle and see what it looks like. This exterior, I believe, is iridium. You have the black chrome wheels you find on a lot of F Sport models. Spindle grille. LED headlights. F Sport badge on the back. Dual outlet exhausts. Nice LED taillights as well on this vehicle. Looks good. All right. And here's the center console storage. Pretty good. And that little top part on the top is for your wireless charging tray. You also have cup holders over there, cup holder right there. Put it in sport mode. Nice. So yeah, here's the thing, like, it seems like Lexus videos are very popular on my channel. Anytime I make a video on any Lexus, let alone an F Sport, it's very popular, gets good views, and seems like the viewers really seem to enjoy that. So I try to get as many videos on F Sports. Seems like F Sports are very popular, especially like a couple years older, because they're more affordable, and that's what a lot of people try to buy once they're in the affordable price range. So I'm gonna keep these Lexus videos coming. And all the materials in this interior are really nice. Like this ES350 is a really popular sedan. It always has been. And this F Sport gives it a sporty appearance, makes it look nice. You also have like these nice metal buttons, which I really like in this car. Looks really premium and high quality. See the little hydroplaning right there. Under hard acceleration. The road is a little bit wet. You also have a sport shift button mode. Hey, acceleration's pretty good. And yeah, the seats are really comfortable. They have really good lateral grip because they are sport seats. nice V6 sound. Very, very nice to drive. Feels really good. Acceleration, comfort, visibility, space. Obviously this is a bigger sedan than the IS, so if you're looking at an IS 350 F Sport but you want more room and more of a luxurious interior, this ES is definitely the way to go in terms of that. Now I also really want to make a video on an LS like 500 F Sport or something, because those LS models are really nice too. Yeah, very peaceful drive right here. It feels really comfortable, especially in this hot in this very toasty interior now with the heated seats and heated steering wheel. And it's really, really smooth, and the suspension feels really well tuned. Really, really like this. But overall, very nice and relaxing drive in this 2021 Lexus ES350F Sport. Thanks for watching another video of Driv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice vehicles like this ES350F Sport.